Diga algo, jefe.
Hello. We are once again with another video at the in-laws Tony's ex headquarters. Oh shit, lo que no traigo es un adaptador, jefe, para un socket para meterlo. Traigo el tool para las llantas.
That should be a 17, no?
Uh-huh.
We should just be able to get a 17.
Okay. We're doing another update on this car. We're gonna flush the brakes. We just installed the front strut bar that I had for like 2 years sitting at the house. And also we're going to try and install that toe strap that is a requirement for the track. And I also got the front sway bar bushings and end links that comes as a kit. I got some Pro 10 kit, and that's pretty much it for this update. Stay tuned. Ahí está ya.
How's that fluid, sir?
Nasty.
Oh. First one down. We got 3 more to go. Tired. We're done for today. We did the brake flush, clutch flush. We still gotta do another flush on the clutch. The fluid is kind of dirty still. I learned how to what do you say? How to perform a flush?
Yeah, pretty much. Thanks to the master Tony. We put the spoon bar. And I think I should be ready. I just need to install the toe strap. We found a hole somewhere around there, and I think that's it. The car is pretty much ready. I'm gonna do another oil change on the motor, Transmission is ready. We're good. Appreciate it to my friends at Pandemic and the team, the support. They've been pushing me to do this, and we're looking forward to the event.